Alright guys, this one's going to be a quick instructional video. This is going to be a rolling announcement, so you're going to see this reposted every single Thursday and Friday. I will keep this same instructional video because it's a real simple one, but the actual post itself will be deleted and then reposted every Thursday, every Friday starting this week. So, you'll be able to recognize it'll say announcements, office hours. It'll have the same dates and times put up, at least for the duration. This is going to go to all 5 classes, so I'm only going to hold one meet specifically for all of my students, just for the sake of simplicity. So the way you guys get access to this is, let's go ahead and go over here. Once you guys sign into Google, you'll go to your waffle stamp thing, the Google Apps selection, and you should see, usually it's in the first section of apps, the one that says Google Meet. So you'll go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to this page, and you can join or start a meeting. When you click on it, it gives you the option to either add the code or the nickname. So I've already got one set up here. Let's go ahead and join it. So this would be the nickname that I would post for you guys, and it would show up right here. And then I will also include for you guys the copy joining info, which would look as a code, something like that. So you can join it via your Chromebook by clicking on this link, or you can also dial in on your phones, or you can enter it in as a PIN number. For most of you guys, this is going to be the easiest way, obviously. If for whatever reason you don't have computers, you don't have computer access, go ahead and use the phone call in. So when you guys are in here, let's go and click out of that. You can see that I have no camera going. That's because I do not have a webcam. Instead, I've just got a audio mic set up. Partly because, one, I don't feel like bothering actually, looking professional right now. But number 2 is, most of the time, guys, I'm going to be using a presentation feature. So let's do the entire screen. Yes. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Screen. All right, let's do the entire screen here. Hit allow. So what'll happen is, okay, you guys would, if you're on this side, be able to see everything I'm showing you, rather than just seeing that letter F with the sound bar. You'd be able to see every tab that I go to. The point of this, of course, is so that I can go over the assignments. I can highlight with my mouse cursor and show you guys what's going on. Let's go ahead and stop that. So, real simple when you guys want to mute your mics if you need to talk to someone or if there's noise going on. And yes, I will do this too if my kids start screaming. There's a turn off microphone here, or you can turn on or off the camera. Again, mine is permanently off since I don't have one. And there's also to leave the call, you just go down here. So this essentially acts as a video calling service over the internet rather than using your phone. Okay, simple as that. Now, if for whatever reason you want to put in a chat as opposed to ask a question, maybe I'm already talking, you just want to put a question in the queue, there's a button up here to do a chat, and it allows me to see what you guys are typing in. Okay, there's also some other options here. I will not be recording meetings, so don't worry about all that. As the person setting it up, these are various options for me. You can also turn on captions if you're having trouble following some of the spoken dialogue. Alright guys, let's go ahead and exit out of the call. Yes, I left the meeting, return to home screen. Okay. So I will be posting these up about 8:55. And then once the last person is left, or we've hit 10 o'clock, whichever comes first, I will go ahead and close up shop. Alright guys, I will see you in the meetings.